This was highly requested, so I'm making a video showing how I took this drawstring ponytail and got this hairstyle. So it was really simple. I just put my locks up into a high ponytail on the top of my head. Anyway, I put it on the top of my head and then I made a bun so that all of my little color would be tucked in. And this is the hair. When you first open it, it has more of a donut curl. I had to do a lot of separating. So I took the wig detangling spray from Kiss, sprayed it all around, and just really went in with detangling and then attached it like you would any other drawstring ponytail. And here I am just doing some more detangling. So there's a lot you can do with this ponytail. Originally, I was going to leave it like that. Then I thought about a little updo in the back, bangs in the front. But then I said I wanted some symmetry with my dress since I had a one shoulder. And I just put all my hair to one side and pinned it. Simple as that. No tricks, nothing difficult. Put the ponytail on and pin it. This is great for no retwist looks because you can see people thought my hair was cut or I took my locks out because my hair was so frizzy, like I just combed up natural hair into the style. But nope, my locks are still there. I threw it to the side and that was it. Let me know if you want to see any other of these sensational texture ponytail styles. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my other socials. Bye.